Let's see how to compress images in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and insert a picture. Click on the Insert tab. Now, click on Pictures and let's choose a stock image. Now, to compress your picture, simply click on it, which will open up the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. Now, from here, under the Adjust options, you'll see the option to compress your picture. Simply click on that and you will see that you have different options for your picture size or picture resolution. You can either choose HD, print, web, or email, depending on how much you want to compress the size and quality of your picture. And that is how you can compress a picture in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.